Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at airdrop. An airdrop in the context of cryptocurrency refers to the distribution of free tokens or coins to a specific group of existing cryptocurrency holders. This distribution is typically done by blockchain projects or companies as a way to promote awareness, increase user adoption, and incentivize early participation in their ecosystem. Here are key points to understand about airdrops. Free distribution. During an airdrop, tokens or coins are distributed for free to eligible holders of a specific cryptocurrency. The criteria for eligibility can vary and may include factors like holding a certain amount of the parent cryptocurrency in a wallet or participating in a specific community. Promotional strategy. Airdrops are often used as a marketing and promotional strategy by new blockchain projects. By distributing tokens widely, projects aim to attract a larger user base and build a community around their platform. Types of airdrops. Automatic airdrops. Tokens are sent directly to eligible wallets based on predetermined criteria. Opt-in airdrops. Users need to take a specific action, such as registering on a platform or joining a community, to receive the airdrop tokens. Purpose. Community building. Airdrops help build a community around a new project by distributing tokens to potential users. Token distribution. Projects can ensure a wider distribution of their native tokens, avoiding concentration in a few hands. Marketing and awareness. Airdrops generate buzz and attract attention to the project, increasing its visibility in the crypto space. Risks and scams. Phishing scams. Scammers may attempt to impersonate a legitimate project and trick users into providing private keys or personal information. Low-value tokens. Some airdrop tokens may have minimal value, and holders need to assess whether it's worth participating. How to participate. Wallets. Airdrops typically require participants to hold a specific cryptocurrency in compatible wallets. Community participation. Joining social media channels, forums, or platforms associated with the project may be required for certain airdrops. Post-airdrop actions. Trading. After receiving airdrop tokens, holders may choose to trade them on exchanges. Holding. Some participants may decide to hold the tokens with the expectation that their value will increase over time. It's important for users to exercise caution, verify the legitimacy of airdrop projects, and follow recommended security practices to avoid falling victim to scams. Additionally, participants should be aware that regulatory considerations surrounding airdrops may vary in different jurisdictions.